family backpack.
Oh, the family backpackers. Kai, where are you going?
Raining bell, Kai.
It's raining.
7 minutes. Parehong 7 minutes.
The ticket concourse.
Concourse talaga.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. You want orange juice?
No, thank you.
Keep me Kai. Tap, don't forget. Go, ate. Yay, very good.
Wait.
Tap, Kai. Let's go, mommy. Yay, very good. Sino antok? Who's sleepy?
Kai.
Tony.
Kai.
Nauhin sa magpagod.
Nakapagod kayo.
Wow!
Wow!
Yan na kayo. Kaya.
Kay, come here. Ate!
Saan ba mo?
Hindi ko lang rin sure. Ayan natin.
Dito.
Lakad kami papunta ng hotel.
Bago tayo makikita yan. For rent. After tayo.
Saan ka punta? Na ang mall. We're here in the mall, ate. And we're gonna cross over here to get to our hotel. Kaya niya pala ako hinihila. We are going to sleep first, ate. Let's go.
Come back here later, ate. Sige,
Bye-bye. Ooh.
Tayo lalabas.
Picture. Wait for Kai. Picture. Happy.
Tayo.
Let's go na.
Maliit lang pala yung mall, no?
Pero nice nung outside eh.
Ha?
Wow. Nice. Nice, ate. So big. Check. Hello. Hi. We're here na. Gonna sleep first, ha?
Home looks like.
Please sleep, ha? Hindi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Wow. Guys, picture.
Picture. Come on. So, here, tayo. Look here, no?
Picture, happy.
Yeah.
Ang buo.
Here.
1533. Wow. Smells good, ate. No, smells good, no?
Look for 3-3. City view tayo.
City view. Yay. 1533.
Okay. 1, 2.
Pasok na yung isa. Wow. Wow.
Ay, remove your slippers.
Shoes please. Remove your shoes first.
Okay, will be using. So, malaglag tayo.
Daddy, give me kind of glasses so I think that you want to.
Which one? Where's your bag?
There in the top.
Wait lang, ate. I'm just finishing up my din.
Kaso nabili mo, mami.
It's okay. Kasi bubuksan ko siya. Whoa. 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 This is the view. Whoa. Here's the view.
Oh no, raining!
Nap time.
Ano, maritigas ang ulo. Happy New Year, mga may issue pa.
Year. Wala
Mga
na
taong
akong
may issue.
pakay. Half day kami.
Magkasakit kaya ako, no?
Baliwoy.
Madidelay yun. Totally.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. 睡觉。
睡觉。
Taquitos. Ate.
Hindi ako nagtrabaho sa pizzahan eh. Pasensya na.
Ayaw mo yan, Daddy. Go, go, go. Yeah. Cheers! Happy New Year!
Jump,
More,
ate,
jump,
if you're-
ate, jump.
Don't have power. Oh!
Yun. Jump, jump, ate. You have to jump. Yan. Very good.
Go, Kai Kai.
Go, sige. That's a good practice, ate.
Harder ate.
Yun, very good. Go, ate Tony.
Go ate.
Go, Tony. Isang batang masaya dito. It's okay.
10, 8, 7,
Shoot the ball there.
5, 4, 3.
Jichiyat at night. Yay! With the family. Hello. Here. Napadpad kami sa Jichiyat. Going to try there. Nakaharap tayo sa... Eh, kaso sabi mo sa likod ng East Coast. Ang ganda ng place. I like to go here is Starbucks. Enjoy.
Daddy, this one, why is this like this?
What's this?
Hi, Daddy. Happy New Year. We're just waiting for New Year. And my kiddos are chilling while Daddy is taking some video. Pakita naman ng shirt dyan.
Kapag taba ako eh.
Hindi ah. Wow! Ganda! Ingay naman itong nasa TV.
Sundan natin tong... Oh, less than.
Wala pa. Ang wish ko
Wala pa.
25 ay growth para sa sarili and peace and happiness
Tignan mo,
para sa
may video
ating
ka yan.
lahat.
Siyempre po, ito na.
para mo sa pagpasok ng bagong taon.
Yeah.
Naway magkaroon tayo ng tunay na kapayapaan, isang malaya at marangal na
25 minutes.
pamahalaan.
30 seconds. Oh! Fireworks!
Ngayon, sabay-sabay natin sa lugar ang bagong taon ng masibuyang sigaw, kagalakan. Ito na.
May fireworks! Hooray! Hooray! May fireworks din dito!
7.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Meron tayong counting
Did you see?
fireworks there.
Yeah, there's a fireworks
Masyadong
display.
kita. Dahil ayan!
Meron.
Ano kaya yan?
There, oh.
Yung ba kaya yung sa maring, yung maring parade?
Hindi kita masyado, pero yun, may firework display
Oh,
dito.
Sit down, sit
Ay,
down.
isa ring batang masaya.
Dami.
Wow! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ang ilaw pa dun, oh.
Singapore. New
No?
Year in Singapore. Yeah.
Fireworks
More.
There's Daddy coming. Breakfast. Good morning.
Daddy,
Yeah,
guys.
Happy New Year. Breakfast.
Hi,
Outside.
guys.
Kain ng kain na rin ako sa'yo. Tapos may kasalanan ako sa'yo.
Ano nangyari? May naglag?
Hindi. Nakalimutan ko yung pet tissue. Pero may pamunas ako dito.
Ayaw nawala doon. Di ba nasa loob yan?
Oo, yun nga. Hindi ko alam bakit nawala eh.
Kinuhaan ko ng wet tissue si Tony.
Uwian na! Let's go! Follow mami! Uwian na! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye, hotel!
Bye-bye, hotel.
Tulog lang.
Bye.
Tapos bukas, pasok ulit!
How